We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Product showcases require visuals that highlight quality and detail. Gradient presets create subtle depth that enhances the perception of premium products. Using these presets ensures consistent color flows across multiple product visuals, especially for business audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. The gradient is applied behind the product, ensuring that attention remains on the item itself. RGB adjustments refine brightness and saturation.